हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। अगर आप यहाँ पे ऐप ब्लॉक करने के लिए आए हैं तो आप बिल्कुल सही जगह पे आए हैं। तो सबसे पहले आपको एक ऐप ब्लॉक, इसका नाम ही ऐप का नाम ही ऐप ब्लॉक है। सो आपको इसको डाउनलोड कर लेना है। इट इज़ मेड बाय माई मोबाइल सॉफ्ट विथ 1 मिलियन यूज़र्स। ये 6.7 MB का है। सो इट विल बी ईजली रनिंग ऑन एंड्रॉयड एंड iOS। वेट फॉर द डाउनलोड। यहाँ पे अभी डाउनलोड हो चुका है। तो अभी हमें बस कुछ चीज़ों का अच्छे से ध्यान रखना है। सबसे पहले गेट स्टार्टेड पे टैप, क्रिएट प्रोफाइल पे टैप। अब यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट पे टाइम टाइप करके हमें टाइम को चूज़ करना है। टाइम के बाद जो भी आज का दिन है, जैसे कि संडे है तो संडे को चूज़ करा है। ऐड पे गए, ऐड पे जाने के बाद यहाँ पे टाइम सेलेक्ट करना है। तो ये थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजिंग है, तो आप देख लीजिए। जैसे कि मैंने अभी टाइम 12:43 हो रहा है, तो मैं 12:45 से 12:45 से कब तक, 12:55 तक। तो 12 पे टैप करके टैप, एक सेकेंड, 12:45 से 45 मिनट, 12:45, 46, 47 से 12:47 से 12:47 आ 12:47 से टू कितना, 12:47 से 53, okay, 12:47 to 12:50, and then save it. And now you wanna select blocked apps and websites. So tap on select, and which you want to select them. You can select easily. So I select Minecraft and a .NET app, and then save. And you must be allow these notification, website, app notification, app launch. And now set up profile name. So I set up profile name as blocked, and now create. You can set any names, then go to settings and allow all the permissions which with the app want to app block, allow, then go to settings, app block. Now open with this type of interface. Now tap on see all, then I set profile from 12:47 pin. You can see here start 12:47, the app Minecraft and .NET on Sunday. This is currently off, but after 12:47 it will be turned on. Just tap on it. So you can see its schedule. It is turned on 12:47 to 12:53. Now wait for 2 minutes and check this its app is blocked or not. For now I show you if this open or not. So I go to .NET and it is working. Okay, I forgot to log in, but now here 12:47, 1 minute left. So I will pause. So the time is complete. It is easy to use. It's again one feature which is very helpful. If you want to change the time, if you want to unblock, so you can come on this app and you can easily change the time, or there is a cross, so you can put cross, your time will be vanished and your app will be working. Now 12:47 and they now the 12:47 and I get a notification from app block, two application blocked, net Minecraft and .NET. So the app was blocked. Now I open .NET. So here, so I see it is blocked by block. Wow. So how many times I open it, it shows. For example, now I open it one times. So when it again try to open, it shows a pop-up with 2 times. Okay, so it is not working, and same as Minecraft is also not working. So if you want to open, you just put here cross, but it will not be helpful for you, because we all know that if someone notification we get, we all come and put crosshair. So there is a feature, you can see here a lock. So put on lock and select a time lock. After time lock you set a 10 minutes or days. I set lock 10 minutes, so you can change 10 minutes to 20, 30, whatever you want to get. So here put press lock, and now my screen is locked. And now I go to my app just like Doubtnut. For example, Minecraft I open that time, it is blocked, and now close it. And if you want to emergency, but if you want to open Minecraft, and if you come to app and just tap on this, and you can see your screen is blocked now because you set a lock. Your profile is locked for 10 minutes because recently we locked the profile. Okay, if you lock the profile, you will not be able to any changes in the time. Okay, so it will be blocked for 12:53. Now your app is not working. If you want to do open it, you never be open. So keep studying is the only way. After 5 to 10, I said 10 minutes lock profile, so it will be open after 10 minutes. So we just wait and watch. Okay, now the profile is blocked. Okay, so I can change any settings. Profile is locked for 9 minutes, 1 minute complete. Okay, but we set a time lock for apps 12:53, 12:40. You can see here 12:47 to 12:53. So my app was unblocked at 12:53, but my this screen is blocked for 9 minutes. Okay, so hope you guys understand this. It is very helpful app, and I use from now. Okay, so bye.